That's a boy. That's a boy. That's a good boy. Oopsie. Get back up again. He does get mad.
I'm trying again. I'm going to try this again. Yeah, there you go. There you go. Back to the car again.
Oh, he gets mad. Nevin, move. He gets mad. Get back up and try again, kiddo. Come on. Yay! Good boy! Good job! Crawling? First time. Pops, you called it. Did you not call it? Crawling this vacation. Pops called it. Tyler is officially crawling. It's over. Good night, people.